Hotel in Pasay for as low as 2,600 pesos per night na may swimming pool, fitness center, restaurant, free parking space at katapat lang mismo ng Mall of Asia. Dito yan sa Golden Phoenix Hotel, Manila. Standard check-in time is 2 p.m. and check-out time is 12 noon. 24 hours ang front desk, may luggage storage, may security deposit na refundable upon checkout at may free parking space. Binook namin ang superior double room na may isang queen bed, may side tables, may luggage rack sa gilid. Sa tapat ng kama may TV and table na pwedeng vanity or workstation area. Sa isang side, merong mga couch and table, may floor-to-ceiling window at ito yung view sa room namin. Dito naman tayo sa CR, ayan yung sink area na may mirror, hair dryer, may provided na bath towels and toiletries, may vanity kit, shaving kit, comb at dental kit. Ito yung toilet with bidet and yung shower area na meron na ding shampoo and body wash. Sa labas ng CR, may full-length mirror at cabinet kung saan nakalagay yung bathrobe, plancha, ironing board, hotel slippers, laundry bag at safety deposit box. Sa tabi niyan yung minibar, merong bottled water, electric kettle, coffee and tea. Sa drawers, may mga chips pero may separate bayad yan. Tapos sa baba, may maliit na ref at may mga drinks sa loob pero may separate bayad din. For the amenities, meron silang swimming pool, may pang-adult at may pang-kids, may fitness center din, may mga cafe and restaurant kung saan pwede mag-avail ng breakfast for an additional fee. At ang ganda din ng location nito kasi katapat lang mismo ng Mall of Asia.
Pwede kayong mag-book ng room sa Agoda for as low as 2,600 pesos per night at para mas makatipid pa kayo, gamitin nyo ang promo code na TZN Travel to get exclusive discounts.